So I wanted to take a few minutes while I was preparing for an E.U.O of one of my own clients to talk to you a little bit more about what E.U.Os, or examinations under oath, are really all about. Many times a client, or if you're not a client, will get a letter from the insurance company asking for an E.U.O. What does that stand for? Examination under oath. Not to be confused with a statement or a sworn statement. An examination under oath is a contractual obligation that you have with your insurance company that they can investigate the claim by a process of asking you questions and taking down your answers with a court reporter in the room. Now, in the world of virtual Zoom, oftentimes that court reporter could be across the country, but nonetheless, the effect is the same. They'll be asking you questions sworn under oath, and there is a potential that they could use your answers down the road in any investigation or litigation in an insurance claim. So, first and foremost, before we dive into what is an E.U.O, if you get notice of an examination under oath, if you don't have a lawyer, now is the time to stop, put that piece of paper down, and give us a call at 833-MIKE 24/7. An examination under oath is a contractual obligation that you have between you and your insurance company. And it's oftentimes found buried in a policy like this. Nonetheless, you do have a contractual obligation to cooperate with your insurance company when they're investigating a claim. That may be under the personal injury protection portion of your benefits. It could be in a property damage claim or a collision or comprehensive part of your claim. The insurance company does have the right to take your statement, and oftentimes they'll do this in an informal way, like a recorded statement where it's just a conversation between you and the adjuster, and normally lasts between 5 and 15 minutes. It's often just needed for the adjuster to document their file and make sure that they get any missing gaps down in order to proceed with the claim. An E.U.O, though, is the next level of investigation by the insurance company. An examination under oath typically requires your appearance along with that of a court reporter. There may be a special adjuster assigned to conduct the examination under oath, or it could be an attorney that's hired by the insurance company to ask questions, follow-up questions, and make sure that every bit of your claim is investigated. Now, just because an insurance company is asking for an E.U.O, it doesn't mean you've done anything wrong. And many times E.U.Os can come and go with no problems whatsoever. However, it is incredibly important that you have an attorney represent you at that examination under oath, because the answers to their questions are going to be sworn. An examination under oath is typically used when trying to clear coverage, determine the details of an accident, or ask questions about medical treatment that you may have received. Oftentimes the people that take the E.U.Os are advanced, experienced adjusters or insurance company attorneys that have been trained in taking examinations under oath. When the insurance company sets your examination under oath, it's incredibly important that you either attend at the dates that they have set or reach out and communicate with them in order to reschedule it to a time that's convenient for you. Just like you're required to attend an examination under oath, if you do not attend the examination under oath and blow it off, they could say that you are breaching the contract of insurance. Now, the dates that an insurance company picks for these E.U.Os may not be convenient for you, but the insurance company has a duty within reason to reschedule these examinations under oath to find a time that is convenient for you and also give you an opportunity, if you so choose, to retain counsel. If you already have been in an accident and the insurance company is asking for an E.U.O and your attorney says it's not important that they attend, you may want to take pause with their representation, because it is incredibly important that you have an attorney attend the examination under oath with you. Now, remember, it's important to either reschedule that E.U.O or attend at the time scheduled. The reason why is just like the insurance company has the ability to take that examination under oath in the first place, you have the obligation to cooperate with the insurance company. Insurance companies love nothing more than to invalidate or deny a claim under a lack of cooperation clause. Don't give them that opportunity to deny your claim because you missed an examination under oath. Reach out and communicate if you need to reschedule it. And, of course, do it in writing. We all know that adjusters from insurance companies are notorious about misdocumenting things or forgetting to document it at all. Now, I'm not saying that they do it on purpose, but with insurance companies, you never know. So if you do need to reschedule that EUO, do it in writing, whether it's an email, a fax, or good old-fashioned mail. Now that you've got the time and the date for your examination under oath, it's important for you to prepare yourself for that EUO. Any attorney that's representing you should set up a time, a day or two before the examination under oath, to go over what the insurance company might be asking you and to prepare you to answer those questions. Typical preparation for an E.U.O. in my office lasts about an hour. I'll sit with the client, we'll go over the file, and we'll review all the pertinent facts that the insurance company may be asking about. Now, over the last 18 years, I've attended hundreds, if not thousands, of these examinations under oath. And I'm pretty sure the type of questions that the insurance company is going to ask based on my experience there. But part of preparing for an examination under oath is to prepare for the unexpected. That's why it's important that your attorney comes prepared with their list of questions that they're going to ask you in preparation of the EUO. Now remember, because it's the insurance company taking this examination under oath, there's a very good chance your lawyer will not be able to ask you follow-up questions. In a deposition, once litigation commences, an insurance company may ask you questions, but your attorney will be able to ask you follow-up questions, which can often rehabilitate any answers that may be misunderstood or misconstrued. In an examination under oath, your attorney does not have the ability to ask follow-up questions. Your attorney will be limited to objecting and, if needed, telling you not to answer a question, for it may detrimentally affect you personally or the outcome of your case. But don't expect an attorney to object to every single question that the insurance company asks, because then we're right back to full circle where the insurance company will claim that there was a lack of cooperation based on the actions of your attorney objecting to every question. An examination under oath may very well start like a recorded statement. The representative from the insurance company, whether it's an adjuster or an attorney, will ask you a series of questions, typically starting with where you live, where you reside, who do you reside with, what are your previous residences, your educational or employment background, and then if you've had any other previous accidents that they need to know about. It's important that you take your time during this initial portion of the examination under oath to give clear and concise questions. Make no mistake about it, it's going to be a little nerve-wracking. That's why preparation is so important, because your attorney can give you all of the questions that may be asked. As stressful as the examination under oath process is, oftentimes it will not have any negative impact on your case. But remember, you must attend, and if you can't attend the dates that the insurance company has set, you have to respond in writing, ask them to reschedule. Make sure that you are prepared for the examination under oath, and make sure that you have representation. And remember, you can always give us a call at the Fischetti Law Group at 833-MIKE 24/7, or reach out to us on social media to talk about your examination under oath. Remember, we're here to help.